To restore the Bill.com API webhook, follow these steps. First, understand what a webhook is and its importance in the Bill.com API. A webhook is a callback function that notifies your application of specific events, such as payment receipts or invoice updates, allowing for real-time synchronization and automation. Begin by logging into your Bill.com account and navigating to the developer dashboard. Here, you will find the API settings and webhook configurations. Identify the webhook that needs restoration, taking note of its endpoint URL and the specific events it is set to listen for. Next, verify that the endpoint URL is correct and accessible. Ensure your server is running and the URL is properly formatted to receive webhook notifications. If the endpoint URL is incorrect or inaccessible, update it accordingly to prevent further issues. Then, check the event subscriptions associated with the webhook. Confirm that the desired events are selected and that the subscription is active. If an event subscription is missing or inactive, add or reactivate it to ensure the webhook receives the necessary notifications. After verifying the endpoint URL and event subscriptions, proceed to re-establish the webhook connection. This may involve re-registering the webhook with the Bill.com API or updating the webhook secret key. Be sure to store the secret key securely, as it is used to authenticate incoming webhook notifications. To test the restored webhook, trigger an event that the webhook is subscribed to, such as creating a new invoice or making a payment. Verify that your application receives the expected webhook notification and processes it correctly. Finally, monitor your webhook's performance and adjust its configuration as needed. Keep your endpoint URL and event subscriptions up to date, and be prepared to troubleshoot any issues that may arise. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully restore your Bill.com API webhook and maintain seamless integration with your application.